It has been a busy couple months. I think the last time I posted was July, and this will probably be the first one I put up since then. We went camping with Spencer and Paola this weekend. It was kind of like a reset. Just hit the reset button and start the new season fresh. So this is that, reset. This summer has been super packed. Aside from everyday work, we put a lot of time in on other things. We booked photo shoots, I booked video shoots, we were garage sailing and flipping on eBay, Miranda started calligraphy, I landed my first freelance video editing job, and we finally moved into our apartment. Aside from all that, we spent a lot of time with family and enjoying our first full summer down here and going on a ton of adventures. So Miranda has no idea, but her best friend Emma flew in this morning with her husband Simon, and they got here like 2 hours ago, and they're meeting us at Transfer Food Hall, and she has no idea. It's a complete surprise, so this is about to be awesome.
So today we're at Transfer Food Hall. We're about to get some tacos or burritos and then do nothing. Fancy meeting you here. Shut What are you doing here?
Sometimes you make plans and things don't always go according to those plans. When I started vlogging, I wanted to put out weekly videos. I didn't expect for things to get as crazy as they did, but they did. I had to learn really fast how to prioritize the things that were happening in our life. Since moving to North Carolina, I feel like we have had more opportunities and success than ever before, and all the hard work that we were putting in is finally starting to pay off. There's a lot of big things coming for us in the coming months, things that I've been working towards for the last couple of years. One is that I'm finally starting my podcast. I'll talk about it more in the coming weeks because there's little things that I have to wrap up and figure out before I move forward, but I'm super excited about it, and I hope everyone enjoys that and the coming projects as much as I enjoy creating them.
Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free with me. Oh, come on and let's go. Let's be free with me. Yeah, be free, be free, be free with me.